Good morning, children. Today we will see how we can find highest common factor, which is also called HCF, of two given numbers. So, yesterday we have seen that how we can find common factors of two numbers, and then after finding common factors, then we can find HCF of given two numbers. So today we will see through an activity which you can see on the screen right now. Now here in this activity you have been given two numbers, that is 20 and 24. Now we will write factors of 20 in yellow color balloon and factors of 24 in green color. So here the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Now factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So out of these two factors of given two numbers, that is 20 and 24, you can find it out common factors. That is quite easy. 1, 2 and 4 will become the common factors. Now out of 1, 2 and 4, which is the highest number? Yes, correct. The highest number is 4. So the highest common factor of 20 and 24 is 4. So this is one of the activity which I have taken to find HCF, that is highest common factor. Now one more name is there for HCF, that is greatest common divisor. Greatest common divisor. So let's see the definition of HCF and then we will see GCD also, that is greatest common divisor. Now highest common factor. The highest common factor HCF of two or more numbers is the largest number that can divide the numbers without any remainder. Now this HCF we can find of two numbers or more than two numbers also. And what is HCF? HCF of two or more number is the largest number that can divide the numbers without leaving any remainder. Now here HCF by listing out the factors. Listing out the factors means first we will write the factors of the given number and then we will find it out common factor and then highest common factor. Now how you can find it out the factors? That we have done in previous exercise. You can use factor tree, you can use division method also to find the factors. Now here you have been given two numbers, that is 24 and 36. Now factors of 24 have been given here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. These are the factors of 24. And then factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36 itself. Now from these factors you can find it out the common factors. The common factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Out of these common factors, the highest common factor is 12. Now this you have to take care when you are doing it. Question: if it is asked that write the common factor and then find the HCF, Then you are supposed to write common factor of 24 and 36, and then you will write HCF of 24 and 36. And if it is not mentioned over there that write down common factors and then write down the HCF, so directly also you can write HCF of that given number. Now HCF using prime factorization. Next is HCF using prime factorization. Now prime factorization we have done. Prime factorization you were doing it by factor tree also. So here you can draw a factor tree of 24 and 36, and then you will get the prime factors of those numbers, and out of those prime factors then you will find it out the common factors and multiply it. After multiplying it, you will get the HCF of highest common factor of that given number. That is the another method. Now the third method is HCF using repeated division. Repeated division means you are going to divide it 24 and 36, and the numbers which commonly divide 24 and 36 at one time, that number will become your, the product of those prime factors will become your HCF. So this is your yet another method of finding HCF. So here in this slide we have discussed three methods. So these methods will be clear to you all when we are going to do the questions. So more often we are going to use by listing out the factors, because you have to find the common factors also of given numbers. Now the other name of HCF which I have already told you, that is greatest common divisor. That is also called GCD, divisor or greatest common factor also. That also the method is same, only the name will be different, that is GCD. Now here GCF, greatest common factor, one more example is there by listing the factor of given number. Like here 36, 90, you are going to list out the factors and then circle the common factors. Out of the common factor then take out the greatest common factor, that is 18. So this is the method of finding HCF, and we are going to use this common factor method only to find out the HCF of given two numbers. So let's do the questions now. Now these example which is given in your book, that we have done, that is highest common factor. Let us consider two number 12 and 28. We will see it quickly. Factors of 12 have been written and then factors of 28. After that you have to find it out common factors of given two numbers, and then you will find highest common factor of given two number. Therefore HCF of 12 and 28 is whatever greatest number you will be, or greatest factor you will got of those two numbers. Now HCF is the short form of highest common factor. So there is another method of finding HCF that we will discuss tomorrow. So let's do the question related to our first method, that is HCF by finding common factors, factor method. Now question 1 is find common factors of the following numbers, then find their HCF. So as I told you just now that sometime it is given in the question that find the common factors. So you are supposed to find the factor of first number, then factor of second number, and then you will find it out common factor of both the numbers, and then you will find highest common factor of two numbers. This method will be applicable for more than two numbers also. So let's do the question and we'll understand that how we will do this questions using our factor method. So question number 1, We'll start question number 1A. So now our exercise 4.3, question number 1. Find common factors of the following numbers, then find their HCF. A part is 25 and 45. So in the solution, what you will do, first you will write factors of 25. Factors of 25 we will write. So the first factor of 25 will be 1. After that 5. After that, after 5, what will be the factor? Yes, 25. Now come to 45. 1 is a factor of every number. After that 3, then 5, then 9, 9 5s are 45, then 15, 15 3s are 45, then 45 itself. Now factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25 itself. Now factors of 45, 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. Now the next step is to write common factors of 25 and 45. Now which are the common factors? 1 and then 5. So we will write here 1. Common factors are 1 and 5. So out of common factors of 25 and 45 are 1 and 5. Out of 1 and 5, which is the highest common factor of 25 and 45? Yes, that is 5. Therefore, HCF of 25 and 45 is, yes, correct. The HCF of 25 and 45 will become 5. So this is the method to do these questions. How will you find the common factor? And after that, how will you find the highest common factor? Factors of given number. Here you have been given 25 and 45. Now factors of 25, 1, 5 and 25. Now factors of 45, 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. Now from these factors, common factor of 25 and 45 are 1 and 5. Then highest common factor of 25 and 45 will become 5. Therefore, HCF of 25 and 45 is equals to 5. Now let's do next question, B part. So our concept will be more clear. 12 and 28. Now what is the first step? Yes, correct. The first step is write down the factors of, you have to write the factors of 12. You have to write the factors of 12. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, correct. Then 6, then 12. Yes, correct. Now factors of which number you will write? Yes, the second number, that is 28. 1, 2, then 4 sevens are 28, then 7, then yes, correct, 14 and then 28 itself. So these are the factors of 28. Now which are the common factor among these? 1, after that 2, then 4. So now the next step is to write the common factors. We'll write here common factors of 12 and 28 is 1, 2 and 4. Now the next step is to write highest common factor. So highest common factor of 12 and 28 is, what is the short form of highest common factor? Yes, HCF, which you are supposed to find it out. Therefore, HCF of 12 and 18 is equals to 4. Highest means among these common factor, which number is highest? Among 1, 2 and 4, which number is highest? 4 is highest. So 4 will become the highest common factor of 12 and 28. I hope this question is clear to you all. What we have done, first we have written the factors of 12. Factors of 12 which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. After that we have written factors of 28. Now 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Then the next step is to find it out common factors of 12 and 28, that is 1, 2 and 4. Therefore, highest common factor or HCF of 12 and 28 is equals to 4. The highest number of your common factor will become your highest common factor. So, let's do the next question, that is C part. C part of our question, that is 16 and 56. So now children, you will tell me what is the first step. What is the first step? First step is, yes, correct, factors of writing factors of our first number, which is 16. Okay, now let's start. What are the factors of 16? 1, 2, then 3? No, yes, correct. 3 is not a factor of 16. 4, then 8, then 16 itself. Now come to 56. Now factors of 56 you will write, that is 1, 2, then 4, then 8, then after 8 which will be the factor? Fine, you have to find it out, you have to read out the table. Then 14, after 14 then 28 and then 56. So these will become the factors of given two numbers. Now factors of 16 will become 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Then factors of 56, that is 1, 2, 4, 8, 14, 28 and 56. Now among all these factors, now next step is to find it out common factors of 16 and 56. So what are the common factors? 1, then 2, then 4, after that 8. So write down all these factors 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now what is the next step? Finding highest common factor of given two numbers. Now highest common factor of 16 and 56. What is the highest common factor of 16 and 56? That is 8, which will become your HCF of 16 and 56, which is equal to 8. Fine. I hope this question is clear to you all. Okay. Now we'll move to our next question, D, that is 44 and 66. See children, you have to do practice of all these questions yourself. As many questions you will do it yourself, as much practice of these questions you will do it yourself, then these questions will be quite easy for you all. Now tell me children, what you have to find it out first? Yes, factors of 44. Now first factor is 1, 2, 4 and then 11, then 22, then 44. Now the next is factors of 66. Factors of 66 are 1, 2, 3. Now here 4 is not a factor of 66. So we'll see 6, then after that 11, then 22 and then 33 and then 66. Now we will find it out common factors of both numbers. Common factors of 44 and 66. So what are the common factors? 1, 2, then 11, then 22. That's it. So we'll write these common factors 1, 2, 11 and 22. So among all these factors, which is the greatest factor or highest common factor? That we will write here. Therefore, HCF of 44 and 66 is, which is the highest common factor? That is 22. So this 22 will become highest common factor of 44 and 66. So I hope the steps are very much clear to you all how to do these questions. So right now we have done A, B, C and D. First 4 part we have completed related to these common factors only. Now E part, that is 36 and 60. Now this question E part, that you are going to do it yourself. So here we will discuss it. What are the factors of 36? What are the factors of 60? Then how you will write common factors. Just now we have done 4 questions and according to that only, just like those questions only, you will do this E part also. Now 36. So the first step is to write factors of 36. You will write factors of 36. After writing factors of 36, then you will write factors of 60. Now what are the factors of 36? That we will discuss. 1, yes correct, 2, then 3, then yes 4, then 6, then 12, then 18 and then 36 itself. After that we have 60. Now the factors of 60 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also. 12 5s are 60. 6, then 12, then 15, then 20, then 30, and then 60 itself. So among all these factors, you are supposed to write common factors of 36 and 60. After writing common factors of 36 and 60, then you will write therefore HCF of 36 and 60 is whatever HCF you will got it. So like this you will do E part. I will not do it E part in the video. You will do this E part yourself. Now come to F part. Let's do F part. So let's start our F part, that is 56 and 98. Now first of all we will write factors of 56, that is 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28 and 56. Now factors of 98. Finding the factors of 98, 1, 2, 7, 14, 49 and 98. Now next step is to find the common factors of 56 and 98. What are the common factors? 1, 2, 7 and lastly 14. So these are the common factor 1, 2, 7 and then 14. Now next step is to write highest common factor, which is also called HCF, of 56 and 98, which is 14. So this will be your answer. HCF of or highest common factor of 56 and 98 is 14. Fine. Okay. Now we'll move to G part, which is 14 and 84. Now the steps are same in all the question. First you will find factors of 14, then factors of the second number, that is 84, then common factors of 14 and 84. Common factors you will find it out. After finding common factors, then you will write therefore HCF of 14 and 84. So here you will find factors of 14 first, which is 1, 2, then 7, then 14 itself. Similarly, we will write factors of all 84 also, 1, 2, then 3 is also a factor of 84, then 4, then 6, then 7, then just like this you will write down all the factors of 84 also. 84 also, and then find out the common factor among them, then find it out. Therefore HCF of yani means highest common factor of that number. So similarly you will do H part also of the given question. Now you can see children, if you have a greater number, then it is not easy to find it out HCF by using factor methods. So tomorrow we will do division method, which is also called successive division method, to find the HCF. So that we will do tomorrow. Today you will do practice of this factor method to find HCF of given numbers. So that's all for today. Good day children.